I'm very pleased to say that we have over $1.25 billion worth of investment in the pipeline in Glenelg Shire. Some of them will strengthen our existing businesses and they'll underpin what is going to be a very strong local economy now and into the future.
Today, we're headed on a really good pathway. Over the last 12 months, we've doubled our capacity to be able to manufacture, and we have orders firm, fixed, signed for 10 sections a week through till the end of September next year. There's an enormous amount of work that's happening in the renewable sector, and I know that we've got people talking on some new projects that are outlined for Portland over the next few years. And I encourage everyone to get behind those because it's going to mean jobs, it's going to mean investment, and it's going to mean a huge amount for our whole Shire.
So the Committee for Portland supports the projects that you're going to hear about tonight. These projects are real game changers. These projects will create jobs. We know that, we've seen that, but there is more on the horizon. These projects will grow the economy and they will help us to achieve our winning aspiration.
I'm the Head of Development for NEOEN Australia, and NEOEN Australia, a French company, we're listed on the French Stock Exchange, but NEOEN Australia makes up about half of the global company. We've been operating here in Australia since around about 2012. And since then, we've put $2 billion into Australia in terms of renewable energy projects. And we're a little bit unique in the sense that we own and operate our projects for the long term. My target is to get another $1 billion every year for the next 4 years invested in Australia. But one of those $1 billion we want to do here in the Glenelg Shire. We want to reach out to the business community to figure out, what's really needed in the region and how we can support the region beyond just the project and beyond cheap power.
And so what we're proposing happens here at Portland as an initial footstep, because it's just one module we're proposing, is that we change out the system that uses natural gas to heat the pool and heat 6 of the public buildings with one of our systems that use local wood and provides high quality biochar into the local area. Every year the energy that they use in the pool and these 6 buildings will be renewable, which to me is very motivating. Well, that's why I started this. So it actually draws down CO2. How does it do that? Because it's actually turning the wood that goes into it into charcoal that goes in the ground. We believe this technology is unique. We don't think there's a technology anywhere else in the world that does this at the cost it can do it. So there's an opportunity here for all of us to be involved in that. And so if there's anyone in the room that's interested in helping this along, we're always looking for friends.
The Heywood hydrogen project that we've proposed is something that we looked at from the perspective of the opportunity that this particular area has that's really, really unique. And what's special about Portland and Heywood is the fact that you've got a number of wonderful attributes. A skilled workforce, you've got land available, you've got a wonderful grid connection, you've got the Port of Portland. If you're going to export hydrogen, you need a port. And what have we got? A wonderful deep sea port in Portland. And we've also got a demand for energy in Asia, a neighbour that's not that far away. The energy that we use to produce the hydrogen is free. It's the sun, it's the wind, it can be water. The hydrogen can be used for whatever purpose we need, for mobility for vehicles, for export for countries that have a massive demand for it. It can be used for energy storage as well. But it's an exciting world, it's an exciting project for us, and a really exciting project for everybody down here in the southwest of Victoria. Thank you for your time.
So, on that note, thank you very much for coming. And there's exciting times to be had, and we'll all get involved. So please enjoy our hospitality, and thank you very much for coming.